In this lesson, we will learn second type of join, that is left join. Before we learn difference between left join and inner join, let us first write the query and run it. Here is the query that I will execute. This query is exactly similar to the query that we executed when we learned inner join. The only difference here is that instead of keyword inner join, we are using the keyword left join. Let's run the query. You can see that query has returned all the users from the users table and their corresponding entries from the user's products table. If a user has purchased something from our website, her product information is also available. If the user has not purchased anything, still user is part of the result because left join fetches all the rows from the first table. However, because there is no entry in user's products table for the corresponding user, it shows null for such records. Remember, if we use inner join, the result will not have these rows if there was no entry in user's products table. But in left join, result has all the entries from the first table and corresponding entries or null values from the second table. Also, some users have multiple entries because they have purchased multiple products, just the way it worked when we executed inner join. Note that left join strictly has different properties for the first table and for the second table. So if we make users as second table and users products as first table, the result will change. Let's see the difference. We have changed the order of the table in the query. Let's run this query. The left join query will take the first table of the query. The left join query will take the first table of the query and will show all the records from the first table and will fetch if the records are present in the second table. In this query, all the users records are present, so there will be no null entry from the users table column. The result will be according to the records in the users products table. That's it in this topic. That's it in this lesson. We will learn few additional functionalities of SQL in next lesson.